Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a skincare video for you guys, and it's going to be introducing a new product that has launched with Exuviance. You guys know I've been using Exuviance for quite some time, basically a year now, and they have become a big part of my skincare regimen and why my skin looks so amazing. So when I found out that they had a new product in their Advanced Series collection, I was super excited to try it out. And so I got my hands on it just for you guys, and I'm going to do a first impressions. I'm going to show you guys how I apply the products and how I incorporate it with my already established skincare routine. So the first product is the Exuviance Advanced Series Lift Volumizing Concentrate, and this is going to go on wherever you want to add a little bit more lift. I'm very excited to incorporate this into my daily routine because when you guys met me years ago, I had just one baby, and now things have definitely changed. I also have a new house and I've been in the middle of a renovation. There's been just a lack of sleep, and so your skin really starts to show the signs when it's starting to feel tired, dehydrated. There's so many reasons why your skin would need a little bit of help, and Exuviance is really a part of my system. It really helps me. Like I said, I've been using them for a year and I don't see myself not using them. So trying out new products from them makes me very excited. It says that its power-packed daily formula supports skin's own natural hydrating filler to soften the loss of volume and improve the look of visible smile lines where time and gravity have taken a toll. This product is going to help diminish any fine lines. I'm a laugher. I don't know, I made up a word. I laugh a lot and I smile a lot. I'm very happy. My children make me happy. I've always been someone who laughs a lot since I was little. So because of that, you get little crow's feet on the side of the eye. You may have smile lines. I mean, there's just so many reasons why eventually you're going to have little tiny lines. I'm just going to make sure I do whatever I can to treat those things, and incorporating the Lift Volumizing Concentrate is going to hopefully be like my new secret weapon. The very next product I want to show you is the Wrinkle Smooth Topical Peptide. It's just this really small product that comes with an applicator tip so that you can massage it onto the areas that you want. I like to put it on my forehead where I have like little, not frown lines, but like maybe like I want to call it excitement lines. Yeah, this product says diffuse wrinkles and smooth visible frown lines. That is everything that I am looking for. It comes in this little bottle. This product does come with 2 of them, so you're definitely at least getting your full month's worth of product. Applied twice daily to your skin, just as this one, just as most skincare products. These are their new colors. They're very chic, I love them. I love rose gold. I love this grayish tone color, thinking like it would also be a really pretty nail polish color. I just really love this. I think it looks really great on your counter. I'm really excited to see how these 2 products are going to boost my skincare regimen. The system I have now may, you know, keep my skin nice and bright. I do need to target my fine lines, so adding these products seemed like a really great idea. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Leave them down below because your question might be someone else's question. But yeah, thank you so much again. And until my next video, stay beautiful.